أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to start our lesson number 9 in English language class. In lesson number 9 we are going to study about the first part of speech. In previous lectures we studied about the parts of speech in general. So now we are going to specify and we are going to bifurcate each and every part of speech. So first of all, as we discussed in lesson number 8, that the very first part of speech is noun. Noun. First of all, by keeping in our mind or by observing or by looking at the base or background of this word noun, so it is derived from a Latin word nomen, right? Nomen. It means a label. Let's suppose I have this marker, right? So here is a label like dollar dry erase. This is the label of the marker or label of anything. So label is used for identification. Label is used to identify a specific entity or a specific thing. So same like noun is a labeling word. In simple and easy words, we can say noun is a naming word, right? It gives label, it gives name to an entity for its identification, right? So noun is a naming word, right? Naming word used for a place, person, thing or idea, right? Like a naming word used for naming a person, place, thing or an idea. So it is a naming word used for any place, any person, anything. Used to name it, used to identify. For example, if I say any sort of name, for example, I am identified with my name. For example, you people know my name is Muhammad Ali, right? So Muhammad Ali is my identification. It is my name, right? So Muhammad Ali is a naming word for a person, right? Muhammad Ali. Same like if we name any gender in general, for example, if I say a boy, right? If I say a book, if I say a city. So these are naming words, right? Name of any person, anything, any place, right? You may call any idea in this regard also, right? Idea, for example, if we say any sort of idea, for example, if we say intelligence, right? So it is an idea. Any abstract name we can accommodate in this very section, right? So this is about the name. So naming word of a person, place, thing or idea is called noun. So then after, in the next lesson, we will discuss about types of noun, right? And we can also discuss the gender of nouns, characteristics, but in next lesson we will discuss only types of noun, right? Not characteristics, not the genders, not the numbers, only types of noun, right? So take care. Allah Hafiz.